States provided all the air support for the Afghans. They didn't just take their own planes away. They took away 16,000 civilian contractors who were maintaining the Afghan helicopters. It took them out of the country, so those things couldn't even fly. And the morale damage they left in the middle of the night from Bagram. I didn't even tell the commander that they were leaving. The Afghans woke up in the morning, all their planes disabled, the Americans have left, no support of any kind. And you're asking who exactly? Who is President Biden asking to fight? I mean, if you are an Afghan woman teaching in a school in Pul-e-Charkhi, really? Really? I mean, what are they expecting? A bunch of guys come riding in pickup trucks with heavy machine guns into your town? You don't want the Taliban in there. You don't support them. But if you're genuinely asking them to put up a suicidal fight when the United States and Britain was not even prepared to keep 2,500 soldiers and some planes in the country with zero casualties, zero risk over the last few years, I mean, this has been an extraordinary betrayal. Right? It's difficult to get the figures, but as far as one can tell, no US serviceman has been killed in Afghanistan for 18 months. No British serviceman for longer than that. This has not been a costly mission since 2014. This was the easiest thing to continue to do for the Afghan people. There was absolutely no reason to do this. To do this, to basically hand them over to the Taliban and then say, it's your fault, you're all a bunch of cowards, when we pulled out and weren't prepared to accept a tiny presence. We have 10 times the number of people who have been in South Korea in the US military for 70 years. Do we think taking them out is going to be smart? Right, nothing's going to happen if you suddenly take them out? This idea that because you haven't sorted everything in 20 years means you have to just walk away. What are we going to do? Okay, so we haven't sorted North and South Korea in 70 years. Take the troops out. But, I mean, it's insanity.